Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to downgrade from iOS 26 to iOS 18 safely and surely. So there are two things you're going to need for this one. First up is going to be this website, ipsw.me, and of course, iTunes. Now, the first thing you want to do right now is open up your iTunes as of now right here and have your lightning cable ready because we're going to connect our phone on our CPU. Before you connect on that one, look for the software you want to download. On this website, of course, choose iPhone. Right there, choose the phone you want or the phone you have. On my end, I'm going for iPhone XR since that's the one I have right there. And as you can see right here, this is 18.5. So click on this one, the file will be downloaded on your computer on this part right here. And basically, once downloaded, plug in your iPhone 14 or 15 or whatever unit you have, open out of iTunes, and basically you can see right there, there should be a downgrade option to the file you have downloaded. And basically that's going to be as simple as it is, and of course, it's going to be saved. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.